Hey everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Jazzy Carbon folding power wheelchair, which is made by Pride Mobility. Like all Pride Mobility products, you can expect quality. It comes with a 1-year in-home service agreement to cover any warranty claims within the first year. And what makes this model unique is that it has suspension. It can hold up to 300 pounds, made out of carbon fiber. And we're going to talk about that and more. Now, if we don't cover anything in this video, you can call our non-commissioned sales experts. They'd love to hear from you. We also do have a separate unboxing and assembly video. Really, there's no assembly required, but if you want to see that video, click on the top right-hand corner of the screen to see the unboxing video. I do want to also mention that we have an airport experience video, so if you're traveling soon, this is a TSA-approved model. Check that video out. Click at the top right-hand corner. You're going to learn all about traveling with this exact model. So again, the Jazzy Carbon, we made this video because there's a few new updates that came out. This product only weighs 43.6 pounds and it has suspension. Again, it's made with carbon fiber. So whether you're going on the sidewalk and you don't want to feel those annoying cracks, or if you're going on the grass, it can handle the grass, it can handle some transitions. It's not built for heavy off-road, rugged terrain, but that suspension does provide a pretty smooth ride compared to other models. Something else that's pretty neat is it does have a built-in USB phone charging port underneath the joystick. And recently, they did release a few upgrade options. They still have the Simplicity Stealth upgraded cushion, and now they have an attendant control bracket and a headrest, which are optional upgrades. Pretty neat stuff. We do have a separate video on those. Now, before we get any further in this video, I do need to tell you about our free product catalog. It's got our latest products, discount codes, and more. If you want a copy, go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form that you're seeing on the screen now, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You can also call our non-commissioned sales experts, give them your address, and they'll process the request for you, or click on the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says Get Free Catalog. Keep in mind, we have several locations, so if you have a question, come on by one of our stores, or again, call our sales line with the number below. We'd love to earn your business. Now let's get back to the video. I also want to tell you that at the end of this video, we're going to give you a secret tip about this power wheelchair that the manufacturer doesn't even know about, and you're not going to want to miss out on that. So stay tuned to the end. I'll also put up all the specifications at the end of this video. Since we're not going to cover every spec, we're going to go ahead and give you a ride along, talk about the important features and more. With that being said, let's get started.
I am personally super excited about this chair. Number one, because I love race cars and carbon fiber. But number two, because this is the lightest power chair right now that will hold somebody 300 pounds safely. This chair weighs 39 pounds, and with the battery installed, it's a whopping 43 pounds, making this chair lighter than some of the batteries we sell. It also has a nice battery range, or a nice travel range of up to 9.3 miles. And your battery is airline compliant, so that is really awesome. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You will be entered into our next scooter giveaway, and we're going to get into this video. I'm going to show you how this thing folds. I'll put the specs up on the screen so you can see the full specifications, and then we'll also take it for a little test ride. You have armrests that you can flip up. What I really like on this joystick here: number one, the small function. 2, it's easy to remove to protect it when you travel. 3, USB so you can charge your devices. You're also going to charge the scooter with the XLR port right there. The joystick will operate forward, will make you go forward, left will make your turn left. This chair has an amazing turning radius, and it is only 24 inches wide. Also has a 17 by 17 inch seat. One of the neat features they added to it is it's got a real pan seat, so you have the option of running your own cushion. This is the aftermarket cushion that you can order with it, and it also comes with a padded cushion that'll be there. But this is the nicer of the cushions that you can upgrade. So you get in here, you're going to see that chair has suspension on the front wheels. And if we move around to the back, you have a spring system on the frame. So that'll buffer some of your bumps. This is real carbon fiber. Ladies and gentlemen, real carbon fiber footplate right here under this thing. You're going to have a little travel bag so you could store your stuff. It's really neat. So what you're seeing here, this is adjustable anti-tippers. If you want to fold them out, give you more support going up a slope. Right here is your motors. Here's your controller. The heatsink controller. Very nice. Back here is the battery. The battery's got a charging port on it, so you can absolutely take the battery out and charge it. And that will be done right here. I'm going to push this tab up and you can pull your battery up. So to fold this thing here in the back, you got this little lever here. Just pull it up. Folds down very easily. If you're planning on traveling, I would recommend removing your joystick. You can loosen this twist knob here. Pulls right out, and then you just unplug it here. You got the little storage bag down there to store it to keep it closed. There's a little strap right here. Under the battery. You're going to take the strap that's under the battery, fold your footplate up, strap it together. Now your chassis carbon is easy to transport. And I swear to you, we can have batteries that are heavier than this chair. This thing is amazing. Alright, so for this portion of the video, we're going to take this thing for a test ride and tell you what we think about it. You just point it where you want to go. This chair is actually surprisingly smooth. I know carbon fiber, and I say, maybe it's because there's a little flex in the carbon fiber frame mixed with the suspension on the front wheel. But so it's got a really smooth ride on it. So we're just going to go that way for now. This chair will turn on a dime. It's got two motors. So if you turn all the way to either side, the motors will go reverse and spin each other around. If you've seen our zero-turn scooters, it's the same thing. And let's see if we could fit it in between this garbage can and this other pole. This thing does go a little slow when you turn it. So like when you turn, it slows down a little bit. I think that's probably good because it's so lightweight. So it's when you're going straight, you'll get the full speed. I am 6'1" and 180 pounds. I got long legs, and I will say I'm more comfortable on this chair than I am a little folding scooter. The seat's got more padding. I got a good size back on this thing. So I'm very impressed with the comfort of it, as well as the smoothness. As you know, it's a chassis made by Pride Mobility. So if you ever have any issues, you'll get the best service in the industry. I'm just going to turn this thing around really quick and head back to the shop. But my first impression of this, Jazzy Carbon, is I am super impressed. This chair, they did a good job with it, in my opinion. It's newer than the Passport, better travel range on the battery. It's airline friendly and it's lighter, and it holds more weight. Geez, so really a no-brainer. So that's pretty much going to wrap up this ride-along review. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for your chance to win a free mobility scooter.
Alright folks, so welcome to the end of the video, and I know what a lot of you are probably thinking. 43.6 pounds? That's heavy. This young man in the video could surely do it, but what about me? I can't lift that much, and you're right. So here's that secret tip I was going to tell you about, and it has to do with the way you can use leverage to pick it up. There's some handles on each side of the foot platform that we're pointing out here. So when you fold it, you're going to be able to tilt it up and stand it up on its back side. That's the design. It's able to stand up on its own. And when you're by the trunk of your car, you're going to grab the two handles that we're pointing out here, part of the frame, and you're going to push towards you so that the seat is leaning up against your hip and you're using leverage to kind of tilt back. Here's another shot. Tilt back, push it up against your hip, and then just slide it right into the trunk. I promise you it's going to be a heck of a lot easier to do it that way. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video, and like always, make sure you subscribe. Not only will you be automatically entered into our giveaway, but you're going to get notified when new videos come out just like this one. Until next time, everyone, have a great day.